and GK session and also news updates. All these activities and performance are presented by students, I mean by you every day. But today's morning assembly will be special and different than other days. Dear students, we all teachers have decided that today's morning assembly and all the activities, all the performance will be presented by your teachers. Respected teachers and my dear students, it's an immense pleasure for me that I got chance to host today's morning assembly. I feel happy to welcome you all in today's morning assembly. So guys, let's start today's assembly. First of all, I would like to call respected our music teacher, respected Sweta ma'am, with her group, I mean Rita ma'am, Madhu ma'am and Neha ma'am for prayer. Please come on the stage. Scout guide, welcome Khalid.